Welcome to the conference. I am Doug from the Indie Ed Project. We are partnered with Destination Imagination, Botswana. STEM Queen Sally is an inspiration. Can you hear that 737 in the background? I'm here in Seattle on a rare sunny day. So excited to be talking with you today about the Stem Zen program. Easy Science is all about seeing a problem and then finding a fix to improve lives. Problem: global young people lack basic science know-how. This is important because we need to first understand the enabling science, then we can adapt to the many emerging tech changes. Humans need science understanding that empowers real intelligence, so we are prepared for artificial intelligence. Stem Zen is a solution. The program is available through Ms. Sally. It is thousands of pages and 50 videos. We start with the program guide. It gives us a whole view of the program for teachers, students, ages 5 to 10. Stem Zen Prep is for ages 5, 6, and 7 to get them ready for what comes next.
Prep examples are cat cousins.
I like cats. They're cute, colorful, and cuddly. I want to know more about cats. Cats have talents? Mom said we keep our fur very clean. We, house cats, live in houses.
Dinos to dinner.
It's time for dinner. I wish dinosaurs could come to my house for dinner. Suddenly, helpful Funky Fairy appears. Jax is excited.
Math with numbers
Counting 1 to 9. But this is not enough. A number for nothing is needed. This is 0. 0 alone means none. Zip, nada, zilch. In England, they call 0 a naught. Let's count fingers.
and money math.
Funky Fairy likes math. She helps others learn math too. One day, at a store, Funky Fairy hears a yell. Help! These numbers don't make sense. I don't know how big my bill is.
Stem Zen is energetic, easy to understand science.
Let's take a roller coaster ride quickly through this new Stem Zen integrated curriculum.
It starts with 7 eye-opening ideas. Note the one-page summaries, they are important. Student handouts reinforce learning. There are videos and main points to engage learners. There is content for advanced learners, like the story.
Einstein started with a formula for kinetic energy. He changed the speed of an object to the speed of light and comes up with this famous equation.
There are plenty of interesting stories, like how a big storm pushed over a tree. A shepherd found a lump of black stuff. He thought it was coal, but it didn't burn. Later, other people used the graphite to make pencils.
The Teacher's Guide prepares teachers to present this easy science integrated curriculum.
Stem Zen is all about sharing the science that enables our everyday objects, like airplanes. They fly with 4 forces. There are hands-on activities too.
For example, put aluminum foil on a sheet of paper, fold it into an airplane,
and fly. The subject really takes off in the video with weight off of the wheels. Wow!
The first airplanes used propellers pushed by gas engines similar to cars.
Next, jet engines squish air, burn with fuel, push the exhaust out, back, to push the plane forward. Amazingly, young brothers were given a flying toy by their father years later as adults, and after years of trials and experiments, the Wright brothers are able to be the first to fly. Next, we talk about the science inside cars.
Welcome to the science of cars. Our world is so complex, but the basic science is easy to understand. There are billions of cars and trucks on our world. Let's see the science to make cars in 7 easy steps.
Then, how computers are simple. They are just electric bits that flow, light bits glow, magnetic bits stow data, and back and forth again. We see the science in the 7 ways that enable smartphones. Next, we take a pause and look at how smartphone apps used to be separate objects.
Here is an example of a Book 1 video.
What makes my phone smart? Let's see the science inside telephones, cell phones, and smartphones. The word telephone means far sound. Phones send my voice to my faraway friends. Wave 1. Sound. Shaking things makes sounds. Sounds are physical waves in the air. Vocal cords shake the air in a pattern of my voice.
With Book 2, we see how science helps us think. Next, we look at more plain science. And then, we see the science of wedge-shaped tools and factories. We show how different sciences integrate together to make our everyday objects. We look at computers then and now. Next, with science, we connect networks worldwide. We start looking up to space with a moon race and moon shoot science.
Here's an example of a Book 2 video.
Science is the method that makes our modern world. We see electric animals and we discover electricity. We question like, why can we fly?
There is more for you to explore with Book 2.
We need to hurry now. Book 3 covers air, water, and food, and later, nature. We look at the important subject of artificial intelligence, bots, and us.
We focus on a single moment called singularity. It is when machines get minds. AI becomes as smart as humans. They are AI, self-aware with their software minds.
Here is an example of a Book 3 video.
Nature is our home address. In the past, people think that everything in nature is made from only 4 parts. Today, we know that nature is made of arrangements of atoms. Let's see more about nature with 7 links.
Later, you can explore more about Book 3. The India project content is created by a global team of illustrators, compilers, translators, editors. Some teachers asked us to combine a subject into a single book, so we did. Here are a few examples.
Benefit. How does the Stem Zen program help you? Vast, turnkey, multimedia content. Ready to train teachers. For teachers to present online and in person with hands-on demos. Exciting stories, student activities. This program is integrated at a local school level. Stem Zen Local applies and practically improves global easy science education.
To close, with the Stem Zen program, students ages 5 to 10 go from empty to science in lights. When we all have the same knowledge, we apply science and work together to improve lives, then the world will be more equal. Science enables. We are the change makers. Thank you.